welcome back to my channel. My name is Ishita with 2 E's and happy Diwali. I know मैं एक दिन लेट हूँ but मैं literally दिवाली की रात शूट कर रही हूँ. The thing is, this is a very impromptu video. I actually was supposed to post a vlog 2 days ago, like छोटी दिवाली पे, but it did not get approved on time. Then I realized कि oh my god, I'm going to be missing an upload for 2-3 days. So I thought ऐसे एक impromptu assumption start करते हैं. This was actually supposed to be a part of that vlog. First things first, happy Diwali. कैसी रही सबकी दिवाली? I know थोड़ी underwhelming थी. It wasn't the same. मेरे लिए तो बिल्कुल भी same नहीं थी. I wasn't even with my family. Like they did come to visit us, but I was with my brother in this house. And yeah, we had fun. We had a lot of fun. We are still going to have dinner अभी. मैंने बहुत कुछ खा लिया है, पी लिया है. I feel मैंने अपनी दिवाली आउटफिट पहले दिखा दी थी, but this time I don't know why I decided to go for fake lashes for the first time, that too on Diwali. And जो हुआ, that was terrible.
Flashback.
Hi everyone, what's up? So मैंने almost अपना makeup कर लिया and I feel मेरा blush बहुत ज़्यादा है. But I've decided to finally try fake lashes, that too on Diwali. मैंने कभी कुछ यूज़ नहीं किया. I have मेरे पास eyelash glue है, but I used it only to stick my मांग टीका on. But today I'm gonna try this and ruin my makeup. कुछ भी गड़बड़ हुआ, मैं सिर्फ फेस वॉश करके बैठ जाऊंगी पूजा के लिए. पूजा का भी टाइम जा रहा है. I'm pretty sure ये बहुत बड़ा डिजास्टर होने वाला है. I just know it. And now I'm gonna stick them. मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं कैसे करूँ ये. Okay, I did it. They look hideous. Oh my god. चिपक ही नहीं रही है. I feel या तो ये lashes बेकार है या तो ये eyelash glue बेकार है because कुछ भी stick नहीं कर रहा है. I wanted that natural एकदम Instagram filters वाली lashes. That's it. I'll try it once again. Just ये नहीं हो पाएगा. और मैंने lash glue लगा लिया है पूरे में. Shit. Okay, I think चिपक गया है but बहुत ही बुरा चिपका है मैंने. कुछ तो बहुत ही बुरा हुआ है. ऐसी होनी चाहिए थी. Okay, I think लग गई. Yes, I don't like it. मैं हटा रही हूँ. I can't do this. I think I'll quickly do a liner and mascara and get back to the puja.
End of flashback.
Since मेरी आंखों पे already eyelash glue था, so I thought glitter ही लगा लेते हैं. At least कुछ तो करते because I could feel कि कुछ चिपचिपा सा है मेरी आंखों पे. So I thought glitter would stick to it. I feel it looks pretty decent, if not the best. I think I can do a better job, but first time के हिसाब से it was pretty decent, yeah. और तुम लोगों ने दिवाली पे क्या किया? मैंने तो पूजा की काफ़ी लेट. आई थिंक तैयार होते पूजा का मुहूर्त चला गया था जब तक हमारे मम्मी पापा भी आए थे. एंड लिटरली राइट बिफोर पूजा वी रियलाइज कि हमारे पास रोल ही नहीं है लाइक वो तिलक लगाने के लिए. तो वी हैड टू कॉल आवर पेरेंट्स कि लेके आ जाना. एंड या दैट वाज आवर दिवाली बट इट वाज फन. अभी भी मेरी दिवाली चल रही है. आई एम जस्ट गोना शूट दिस फॉर 15 minutes एंड गेट बैक टू माई ब्रदर and just have dinner with him. Without wasting any more time, let's just start. So the first assumption is that you're getting egoistic about your success already. My friends said me they think so when I said I like you. I don't feel so. I'm like a success as of now. Abhi I'm just like at a very beginner level मुझे लगता है. And how would I say yes or no to this? I don't think so. I have any ego about my YouTube channel. But it would be nice to have some ego because I feel I keep myself सबसे नीचे when it comes to making decisions. I don't have any ego. मुझे तो नहीं लगता. And I don't know how to answer this. But no. My assumption is that you have broken up with your boyfriend. Just curious. I think सबसे common assumption था that I have broken up with my boyfriend. And एक assumption was that why didn't Harshit post anything on my birthday? So guys, he is like that. We have a balanced personality. मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा social media पे active हूँ and I actually work on social media now, but he is literally like he's not at all active on social media, and you don't have to post on every birthday actually. मैंने अपनी anniversary पे भी कुछ post नहीं किया था. I mean we haven't seen each other in 1.5 years, तो मैं वही पुरानी photos डालती, उसका कोई sense नहीं बन रहा था. तो yeah, we are very much together, do not worry about it. I have told him कि अगर we do not meet by our 10th anniversary, I'm gonna break up. मैं नहीं रह सकती ऐसे. But yeah, we recently completed 9 years of being together. It is really, it's a huge milestone and I feel so old, but yeah, we are together, don't worry. I feel you weren't happy in the IT sector job that you were pursuing because it's really a difficult task to quit your job for following your passions. Yes. And I don't know मैंने mention किया है कि नहीं, but like literally in my first month in Trivandrum, जहाँ I actually started working as a software engineer, I called my father and I told him कि मुझसे ये नहीं होगा. Like I literally don't feel this is the field for me. And उस time पे I hadn't started posting on YouTube as well. मेरा plan था कि मैं fashion management course कर लूँगी कोई, या फिर I just knew कि I have to be, I'm more of a creative person rather than technical IT person. थोड़े बहुत assumptions आए हैं that you're not sure of continuing from Lucknow, or like moving to Lucknow was a mistake and all, and that you want to go back to Pune. So I don't know how to answer it. Actually मेरे पास भी answer नहीं है, and I feel for 1 year I will stay in Lucknow itself because I am setting up my studio here. काफ़ी कुछ आ भी चुका है, बहुत पैसे लग चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. तो अभी के लिए I am in Lucknow. I'm gonna be in Lucknow for at least a year. I am a very go with the flow kind of person. मैंने प्लान नहीं किया था कि मुझे इस बार पुणे छोड़ के आ जाना है. I would love to shift to Mumbai. Trust me, that city is, पता नहीं क्यों मुझे मुंबई से बहुत fascination है. I really want to live there for a year and see how it goes for me, but I know I cannot afford the rent and everything. So yeah, अभी के लिए I'm gonna stay in Lucknow. बाकी आगे देखते हैं. You have a small friend group. Yeah, I don't know. I have friends, but I don't really talk to them a lot. I am not somebody who would talk to a lot of people. I am a private person. I don't like calling people and telling them कि ओ आज मेरे साथ ये हुआ. मैं ऐसी हुई ही नहीं, मुझसे खुद कॉल करके किसी को कुछ बताना तो हो ही नहीं पाता है. I feel इसीलिए I don't have a lot of friends as well because I cannot like maintain friendships. I mean ऐसा नहीं कि मैं भूल जाती हूँ, but it's just very awkward for me to like catch up. मुझे catch up calls होती नहीं, वो मुझसे नहीं हो पाती है. I think you are a bit insecure about your physical appearance. Love you. And then somebody has commented on this कि I also feel the same sometimes. I did not know कि मैं ऐसी vibe देती हूँ that I'm not secure about my physical appearance. I mean I'm pretty okay with how I look. अगर मेरे अंदर थोड़ी भी insecurity होगी then I don't think so I would be making the kind of videos that I make right now. I feel you should have explained थोड़ा more कि why do you feel so, because मुझे नहीं लगता कि I'm insecure about my physical appearance. I am a little sad कि मैं ऐसी vibe देती हूँ. If you're picking this up from the jokes that I crack कि oh I don't have an ass and all, it's not called being insecure. I feel it's more like I am very much aware of my body type and I like to wear clothes जो मुझे लगता है will look good on me, like better on me. You were born with a silver spoon and that you are very kharchili. I'm not rich. I am from a very middle class family background. I wouldn't really say upper middle class as well. We are like well-to-do middle class wali family. I think you're getting this because I am shopping a lot for the studio. But ये सब मेरी savings है from my previous job. जितनी भी payments मेरी pass होती हैं, I just invested in the studio because this is my current job. And I feel कि जो भी मैं studio setup कर रही हूँ, this is like an investment for my own channel. Like if I have a better backdrop for my videos, it's gonna look more appealing and aesthetic. Some people do not like this yellow wall, but ये रहेगी. This is going to stay. इसीलिए I am trying to make that grey wall ready for shoots as well. मैंने वहाँ भी काफी अच्छा सा decorate कर लिया है. My assumption about you is that you are still not sure about switching your career from an IT job to full-time YouTube. You miss your corporate job and are trying to figure out if YouTube will work for you. Nope. Even if YouTube doesn't work out, like in the coming months, मुझे लगता है कि I will not be able to sustain this channel. I will not go back to my IT job. Trust me, I cannot do that job. अब मैं बोल सकती हूँ because I've switched. I don't like my IT job. I don't like the work culture. I don't like the kind of job I was doing. The kind of work I was doing. बहुत boring था मेरे लिए. I might study आगे, but I will not go back to IT. No. The next assumption be you are missing your job maybe. I do not miss my job. I might miss the people around me because यू नो जॉब में ये होता है कि एवरी मॉर्निंग यू गो टू योर ऑफिस, यू मीट योर फ्रेंड्स, थोड़ी चिट चाट होती है, अगर वर्क का बर्डन भी है तो यू स्टिल हैव पीपल टू टॉक टू, लाइक कि कितना काम चल रहा है यार, कब खत्म होगा आज का दिन, शिफ्ट कब खत्म होगी, ये वो। मेरे पास वो चीज़ नहीं है इस जॉब में, बट आई डू नॉट मिस इट, प्लीज। बिल्कुल भी नहीं। आई एम रियली हैप्पी वेयर आई एम राइट नाउ, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आई एम अ वेरी private kind of person, so ये job where I don't really have to interact with a lot of people every day is perfect for me. Like मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि मैं एक रूम में बंद हूँ, मेरे पास एक कैमरा है and I can work. My assumption for you is that your parents don't support you in your YouTube career. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I think starting में they weren't sure about it because my father wasn't really sure about this career. तो मुझे हमेशा कहते थे कि तुम्हें कुछ फैशन में करना है तो फैशन मैनेजमेंट कोर्स कर लो. YouTube is not really safe and all, and मुझे भी नहीं पता था कि if I would be able to earn what I earn right now. उसके बाद I remember जब मैं बहुत confused थी कि whether I should leave my job and do this full time, एक रात he literally said to me कि it's okay, तू छोड़ दे जॉब, अगर एक मंथ ऐसा भी होता है कि you literally don't make any money, like a single penny, मैं सपोर्ट कर दूंगा. तो it felt really nice कि चलो मेरे पापा is like now he is ready to support me. Of course ऐसी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी, of course इसीलिए I left my job at a point जब मुझे यकीन था कि ऐसा कोई मंथ नहीं होगा where I will not make some sort of money out of this channel. So yeah, you have gained weight. Yeah, duh. I think it's pretty evident as well. जब से I've moved out, I have stopped eating healthy and I've stopped working out as well. मेरे साथ ये हमेशा होता है when I have too much work and बोलो. लास्ट ऑर्डर था हमारा,
इसके बाद बंद हो गया था.
ओह परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल, मैं पिज़्ज़ा खा रही हूँ. तो या आई हैव गेन्ड वेट. इनफैक्ट आई रियली वॉन्ट टू गो बैक टू अ जिम. एक दिन मैं और मेरा भाई गए भी थे यहाँ पे पास में एक जिम में बात करने. सो मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ आई माइट जॉइन अ जिम एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग आउट. You are grateful for everything? Yes, I am. The fact that so many nice things have happened to me, तो मेरे पास grateful ना feel करने के लिए कुछ खास है नहीं. Like I made the biggest decision of my life. I am living in this house, in this room. I had a really good birthday party in the middle of pandemic. यहाँ पे मतलब लोग अपने birthday and दिवाली celebrate नहीं कर पा रहे अच्छे से. I literally had a 2-day party at my house. So yeah, I'm really grateful for everything as of now. You are very messy. Yes. I am not really organized and बहुत ही proper सी लड़की. I'm very messy. I'm very clumsy as well. Assumption that you are a control freak and it's Harshit who always apologizes. Love ya. ऐसे assumption के बाद I don't want to say love you too, but ठीक है, I love you too. And no, I'm not a control freak at all. I don't think so. हम दोनों में से कोई भी control freak है. We are very understanding and काफी chill type couple है हम. And about the apologies, the thing is we don't really fight a lot. कोई apology कौन पहले करता है कि बात ही नहीं है. We don't fight a lot. Harshit is more loyal than you. नहीं, we are both equally loyal. My assumption is that आप बचपन से ही मेकअप एंड फैशन बहुत पसंद था. फैशन yes, I think I was in LKG या UKG और हम ना मेरे नाना नानी के घर गए थे दिवाली पे या होली पे एंड उन्होंने मुझे पैसे दिए थे कि जाओ कुछ खरीद लेना. एंड माई रिएक्शन वॉज, मैंने थैंक यू नहीं बोला, मैंने बोला बनारस में कोई कपड़े भी मिलते हैं. मतलब दिस वॉज माई रिएक्शन. मतलब आई वॉज रियली पर्टिकुलर अबाउट माई क्लोथ्स हमेशा से. मेकअप नॉट दैट मच, बट आई डू रिमेंबर मेरी मासी की शादी में मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे बिंदी नहीं लगाई थी एंड आई क्राइड अबाउट इट सो मच. मैंने वो फैमिली पोर्ट्रेट से लेते हैं कपल के साथ स्टेज पर जा जाके मैंने वो पिक्चर नहीं क्लिक कराई थी. लाइक उस वेडिंग में मेरी पिक्चर सबसे कम है बिकॉज आई वॉज पिस्ड कि किसी ने मेरी बिंदी नहीं लगाई है. सो या ओके, आई वॉज वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट मेकअप एंड फैशन हमेशा से. शिट. You are good at multitasking. I think I'm good at multitasking things which I really am interested in. जैसे मेरी job and YouTube, I could multitask. But if you ask me to cook and do something else, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी because I do not like cooking. तो I have to have some interest in the kind of work that I'm doing. तो मैं multitask कर लूँगी, वरना I will just suck at it. You were one of the toppers in school and college days. नहीं. But academically, I was fine. I was good. I was nice. That you were बचपन से ही bold and extrovert person. बिल्कुल नहीं, कतई नहीं. Opposite. Oh, you will shift to Mumbai in future. I wish it happens someday. I guess you are quite intimidated by other bloggers who have huge followers. No. I do not compare myself to others. ये चीज़ मैंने हमेशा से अपने अंदर रखी है. जब मैं पार्ट टाइम भी करी थी, बिकॉज आई कांट मैच देम. दे हैव बीन डूइंग दिस फुल टाइम फॉर ईयर्स. आई कैन नॉट बी इन कॉम्पिटिशन विद देम. आई एम हैप्पी विद वॉट आई हैव. आई डू गेट इंस्पायर्ड बाय देयर वर्क कि oh my god, उनकी videos are so like aesthetically shot and the idea and the whole thing, like shoot से लेके concept तक everything is so superb. So it pushes me to do more hard work for sure, but I'm not intimidated by anybody. Harshit was your first boyfriend? Nope. I think he was my third or fourth. More emotional and then greater than logical, yes. I literally think from my heart. I take decisions from my heart. It's very hard for me to think logically. मेरे दोस्त ने लिखा है, जब तू पैदा हुई थी तो डॉक्टर ने तेरे पापा को बोला मुबारक हो नाक हुई है. You low-key want to vlog more? Actually yes, I do enjoy vlogging more, but I would really like to, you know, have a vlogging camera and then vlog. Mobile se it's not easy and I don't like the quality. You are short in height in reality, but camera angle does the magic. I think, see, I'm 5'4". I don't think so I'm short. 5'4" short नहीं होता. It's pretty medium. Like it's a decent height to have. I don't have long legs. I have a longer torso. तो मैं ऐसे एंगल से पिक्चर्स देती हूँ कि I make you believe that I have longer legs, but ऐसा है नहीं. ओ shit, दिया बुझ गया यहाँ पे. Fuck. And I think that is all for this assumption tag. It was fun. I hope you had fun. काफी impromptu and हड़बड़ी में मैंने shoot किया है. But I really wanted to make one video live this week. I think दो तो already है, but I wanted to make another one live. So yeah, that is all for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this. And yeah, let me know और कैसे tags देखने आप लोगों को. I hope you had a great Diwali. I hope you had fun watching this video and I'll see you next time. Bye.